YouTube audio library. It's the basics. Okay, first to find it, you will go to your videos or use the Manage Videos button. On the left side of the panel, scroll down to the bottom of that where it says Audio Library. Okay, you have a lot of videos to go, or audio to go through. You can search right here by title, or you can use genre, the mood, artist name, duration, attribution or not. You want to give them credit if you use it in a video. Okay, we're gonna select a genre, country, western, or country music. Okay, you can see some of the stars are white and some are darkened. That's the ones I've tagged for use down the road. You can download them. See right there is a download button. You can download them on your computer and you can listen to them, or like for myself, I add them to my videos. Okay, so at the top you have the free music, sound effects, or starred. So if you hit starred, then only your starred audio will come up. You can sort by duration. Click once and you get the short video audio. Click again, you get the longer audio. You can sort by artist. Okay, it won't sort by mood, but there's another way to pull the categories up, and that's with the search filter. Okay, so here we're going to show you the starred ones. And I can still sort those by duration or artist. Sound effects, and that's a kind of a neat one. Kids playing, factory, background. There's a lot of sound effects that you can use, and they're pretty short. So you can search by duration also. You know, videos that are certain length of play or shorter than. If you use the shorter than one, you could like put in like less than 10 seconds or less than 1 minute. If you use the longer one, you can put in, you know, longer than 1 minute or 2 minutes, whatever you're searching for. So down at the bottom right, you can advance the page. There's a lot of pages to go through. A lot of different genres: pop, rock, blues, or jazz and blues, hip hop. So audio library, and then your library comes up. You can search by title. You can search by here. I'll just search by anything that comes up with blues in the title, and you can see when I scroll down a little bit that you have blues coming up in different genres of music, from rock to country to blues. So I hope this has helped you with moving around and using the YouTube audio library. And please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.